Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Old Tommy's Big Red Chair. I'm Old Tommy. This is my big red comfy chair. Today is a beautiful day here in Queensland, Australia. But remember, after the show, keep watching because I've got a very important message for you. Alright? Now, let's go and see what's on Old Tommy's Big Red Chair, and I'll see you soon. Well, hello boys and girls, I'm Old Tom and I've left my big red chair and put my very, very special magical gown on because today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful magic trick. That's right, another wonderful magic trick. You'll like this one. Boys and girls, I'll show you how it works first. Now remember, when you're showing a magic trick, you only show it once. You'll never show it again, even if the people are shouting, show us again, show us again, show us again. You say, no, I only do my magic tricks once. And I'll tell you why. Because if you do it once, they won't know how it's done. But if you do it a second time or a third time, they'll be watching in different places and they'll find out how it's done. We don't want that, do we, boys and girls? That's why you only do a magic trick once, okay? This is a magic trick with cards anyone can make, boys and girls. And first of all, you've got to have 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. And out of those 6, you throw 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And how many have we got left? 3. That's right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Oh, that's no good. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, I only want 3 cards, so we'll throw 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And now, boys and girls, we have only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've still got 6 cards. Well, that's it. I only want 3 cards. Oh, throw 3 away again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, now, how many have we thrown away? 3. So we've only got 3 left. Is that right, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've still got 6. Ah, look, let's throw 3 more away, shall we? 1, 2, 3, and let's say the magic word at the start. Abracadabra. And that's right. Oh, isn't that good? I've ended up with just 3 cards. That's what I wanted in the first place. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it, boys and girls. And let me tell you, magicians have been paid a lot of money for this trick. And I remember seeing it advertised on a magic shop, and it cost a lot of money. I'm going to show you today how to make it. It's very easy. First of all, boys and girls, you want 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. And then you want 3 cards that have been cut. Now, that's the wrong way around. So those cards are no good, boys. So what we do, watch carefully, we cut the card from corner to corner, like this. Right, just like that, corner to corner. And so we've got 3 cards and 3 parts of cards. I'll just stick one together because I've got already some together. So watch carefully. We put the big card face down like that so you can see the back, and you put the next card, the part of half of the card next to it with just a little tiny gap in it, and then you want some sticky tape. It hasn't got to be a lot of sticky tape. I should have worn my cotton gloves for this, shouldn't I? Instead of my rubber gloves, because guess what happens? Sticky tape sticks to rubber gloves. And then we just put that on there like that, boys and girls. Wow, so it folds over. Can you see? Oh, I've cut a bit of that tape off the corner there. Oh, we don't want tape sticking out. You can use a small piece of tape. You haven't got to be a big one like I've used. So we've got, watch carefully, boys and girls. When we fold it looks like 1 card. Can you see that? Isn't that wonderful? So now we want another piece of sticky tape to stick that onto there. So we just want a little tiny bit this time. So just have a little tiny bit. And the way to do it is to stick it on the big card first, like this. Or you can see on the little card, it doesn't matter. On the big card first, like that. So that's stuck there. You can see the sticky tape sticking up. So we fold the sticky tape down, and while we're doing that, we just fold that in like that. Alright, so now we've got this little sleeve. It sticks out a bit, you can just trim it. So, and that gives us a sleeve on the back. Alright, boys, can you see that? Can you see that? It's like a little pocket, isn't it? Little pocket. So you make 3 of those. And I've got 3 already made here. So I'll find mine. So I've got my 3 made, as you can see. Look at this. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. So you need to make 3 of those cards. Don't forget, if you're not quite sure, then just play this over again. Just play it over again, and you can follow the instructions. Now on the back, inside the back of the first card, you put 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. And you put it inside the slot there. Look at that. Can you see them? Can you see them just being inside there? And you make sure they're level. Nice and level. Isn't that wonderful? Well, and then you get 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And you put, guess where they go? That's right, behind the slot in the second card. There, like that. Look at that. And you get 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And you put them, that's right, behind the slot in the third card. Just like that. And then you need 3 cards left over. So now you get those cards level like that. So you see, you can't really tell, can you? You can't really tell there's 3 cards in each one. And you put the other 3 cards in front. And you say, once upon a time, I had 6 cards, and you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Now, because you've got the pockets at the back and the other cards at the top, watch what happens. I'm going to count them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, those are those cards. Now the pocket card, 4, 5, and the last card with the pocket on you put on top, 6. All right, I'll do that so you can see it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, boys and girls. You see I put that at the back there? And out of that we throw 3 away. So you take the 3 cards out of the pockets. 1, 2, 3. And then when we count them again, we've got 1, 2, now that's at the front, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the one with the pockets on the back. All right? So, I thought, I didn't want 6, I only wanted 3. I know, let's throw 3 away. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Now, we've only got 3 left. So you count them again. Watch carefully, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Oh, I don't know. Let's count them again. 1. Now that's empty, remember? So we put it at the front. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I miscounted. Let's do it again. I'm sure I've got 6 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have got 6 left. No, I don't want 6. I only want 3. This is why you've got to be careful. They don't stick together. You shouldn't wear rubber gloves. So I only want 3. So look, we've got 6 cards. If I throw 3 away, then I know I've only got 3 left. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 2 pockets can go in the front. 5, 6 cards. Ah, I know. Let's use some magic on it. Isn't that a good idea? Okay. Abracadabra. Ah, and now let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. This time we're going to go throw the 3 with pockets away. But make sure the pockets are facing you. If you face them that way, you may see them. 1, 2, 3. And with a bit of luck, oh yes, we've done it. We've used magic and now we've only got 3 left. Isn't that good magic? That's real magic. That's real magic. Thank you very much. If you say thank you very much, they should give you a big clap then. If not, say, give me a big clap. All right. So again, boys and girls, it's very, very easy. All you do is you cut cards, and now don't forget, when you cut a card in half, you can only use, so cut it in half, watch carefully, okay, so, and you stick it on to the left hand. See, I've got one on there, that's the one we did earlier. You stick it on the left with some sticky tape underneath. The sticky tape goes underneath it. And if you don't, make sure it isn't too tight, because you've got to get 3 cards there. Can you see how that sticks up there, boys and girls? So make sure it isn't too tight. And you do that with 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and don't forget, when you're gluing them down, boys and girls, that goes there, or facing downwards, and that part faces up, and you put your sticky tape on, with a little tiny little gap in between them. Oh, you can, if you want, you just put it on that all first and stick it on the other part afterwards. All right, and then when you fold it over, you put a little bit of sticky tape on the bottom to hold it there, so make sure your cards don't fall out. Well, that's another wonderful trick, boys and girls. I love doing magic tricks. And again, don't forget, I've done this magic trick on stage many times, and oh, boys and girls, no one's ever found how it's done yet. All right, so boys and girls, again, be careful. Only ever show it once, Never show it twice to the same person. Enjoy it, boys and girls, and I look forward perhaps one day of seeing you doing it. Wouldn't that be good? I'll see you next time. I've got to get ready to finish the show now, so I'll go and get ready, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye. Well, back again after another wonderful show, boys and girls. Now, here's my email address. As I say, if you've got any questions, or if it's your birthday, let me know at oldtom@email.com, and I'll reply back. And I'll try. So if I think they're important, I'll also read them out on the show, like what I'm going to do now. There's a little girl, she's 7. I'm not going to mention her name, she knows what I'm talking about. She's 7, and she was in an accident. She's got a great big mark all down her face, and her face looks all funny. And when she goes to school now, everybody calls her names. That's right, they call her names. And she goes over sometimes after school and she just cries. Boys and girls, you know, please don't do things like that. She can't help it. It could happen to you, it could happen to anyone. You know, instead of calling her names, why don't you go up and make friends with her? That'd be a really nice thing, wouldn't it? If you see someone like, go up and make friends with them. And don't stare if they've got something on their face or whatever, don't stare at them. Just go up and say, hello, my name's Fred, or my name's John, or my name's Angela, and I've just come to say hello. Would you like to play today? Because they're just ordinary people like you, boys and girls, and they get really sad when people start looking at them and calling them names, or looking at them and walking away. They just want to be friends, they just want friends like you do. Alright? So would you do that for me? If you've got to and know anybody like that, go and talk to them and say, hi, and tell them your name and say, would you like to come and play today? Alright, would you do that for me? Oh, you're really good. You're really beautiful children. Alright, now, boys and girls, don't forget to tune in next time. And I'm Old Tom, and this is my big red comfy chair. So see you next time, boys and girls. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.